this video, I will show you how to buy BTC, Bitcoin on Coinbase. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on buy and sell from the home tab. So let's do this. And now we're going to click on buy. So once we do this, we can just select the crypto that we want to purchase. And in this tutorial, we're going with Bitcoin. So I can already see it in here. So let's click on this. And now we can enter the amount of BTC that we want to purchase. So you can pay either with your Euro wallet, or you can pay with Apple Pay, or you can pay with different kinds of crypto. And you can also add a payment method down below. And I'm just going with my Euro wallet, so I'm going to click on this in here. And now I can enter the amount that I want to buy. So let's say buy maximum amount. And if you are ready, then you can just go and click on review order in here. And you can at the top also change your order to a one-time order or a recurring buy. That's just depending on your preferences. I'm going with one-time order and I'm going to click on review order. So as you can see, I will now buy this value of Bitcoin. You will receive this. And again, you can just confirm by clicking on buy now. So my order has been submitted. As you can see, I can now click on done, and it will take some seconds, maybe some minutes for it to arrive in my account. So as you can see, it is now green. And when I go to my home screen and refresh, I will see that I will now have crypto and Bitcoin in my account. So this is how you buy BTC. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Then I will see you in the next one.